Hi, great to be here this week. This week's word is purpose. Purpose is the reason for which something is done or created, reason for which something exists, to have one's intention or objective. When we're young, we are gathering information to help us form our purpose. As young adults, our professions give us our purpose. And when and if we marry, our children give us purpose. But as we roll through the chapters of our lives, the purpose changes. And this recalibration of our purpose is usually where things get a little wobbly. And so this week, our action items can be to make a list of what really brings us joy, to be open-minded and not locked down in how things used to be. Is there something new we want to venture in? Or is there something that we did in our professional lives that we could focus on that possibly could take us in a different direction? And you know what? It's okay to take a break, and our purpose can become just self-care. A rest and a reset could give clarity and space to help us find our new purpose. When we're busy, our thoughts are all jumbled up. It's hard to see through the fog of life, and sometimes taking a break to figure things out is okay. You know, we also get caught up with social pressures when it comes to purpose. Pressure to have kids, pressure to perform, pressure to make a living. These outside pressures, they force us to live a life that is not always ours. So we need to get quiet and figure out what we want, what makes us happy, what gets us up in the morning smiling and ready for the day. And so simply, my word of the week is purpose. P is for peak, the highest point or ability. You know what? We should never peak in our life. We should always be learning and striving for more fulfillment, for more joy, all the way till the bitter end. The U is for unfold, to reveal, disclose, and display. Life is always unfolding before us, and we really don't know what's going to come next, in the next moment, in the next day, in the next month. We may think we do, but we don't. So let us enjoy the moments in front of us, just as it is, for what it is. And R is for rare. We are rare individuals unique to this world, and we need to shine our love and power each day. We have the privilege of walking this earth, and we need to be our best possible self. The P is for pamper, to indulge. We do not give ourselves enough time or permission to pamper and indulge ourselves. This is prime for our health and well-being. We need to establish a morning routine of stretching and quiet, and this is where we prepare ourselves to step out in our day with purpose and poise. The O is for oasis, a place of calm during chaos, a place of sanctuary. It is important to have this place or space in our life to which we can retreat, even if it's putting a do not disturb sign on our closet door. Rest and reset so that we can be the best version of ourselves. And S is for shield, to defend, to guard, and preserve. You know I love my superheroes, and I think our personal shield from toxic people, from environments, is vital. It is healthy to protect ourselves when we leave our home. Never leave without our shield. We never know what we may encounter. The E is for emerge, to come out, to surface, to arise. When we know our true purpose and live in that every day, we emerge and show the world our true power and beauty. And the beauty of life is that we can define and redefine our purpose as many times as we wish, because each day is new and different. Have a great week, everyone.
That was Jean Edelman here on The Truth About Your Future. And if you want to get more of Jean's Words of the Week, just go to thetruthayf.com.